Hi everyone, Amy Hooper here, one of the instructional technology toasts. Just a quick little tutorial on how to maybe use Google Docs as a way to send out a sign up sheet. I'm using this one as the conference. I know conferences are coming up. I don't know how many of you have already kind of made phone calls or sent out emails to parents, but we just wanted to give you some tips on maybe different ways to create either sign up sheets or to create appointment slots in your calendar. That's what the other video is about. And so I'm just going to show you using Google Docs how you might do that by inserting a table. So I have here the title called Conference Sign Up. Up here above this table, you might want to put in some directions to parents on what you're looking for them to do. I set it up this way. You could set it up in whatever kind of organization makes sense to you. I know there's different days of the week depending on the grade level. Some of you are doing them just afternoons every day of the week. I think what high school's Thursday evenings and middle school's Wednesday evenings. So I put in here if I was still at MP this year, obviously I would be giving time slots for a Thursday evening as well. So I'm just going to add in here. I can't even remember when they start, but let's just say 4 o'clock to 4:15, and then we have a four, or gives that 5 minute, 5:20 to or sorry 4:20 to 4:35, and I guess I should do that over here, giving that 5 minute in between. I also put maybe what the information you're trying to collect from each person who signs up. So name, email, maybe phone number, student name if you want to put that down in here. So it just kind of depends on what information you want. Again, I would highly recommend putting some directions to parents up above the table. For those of you who do not know how to insert a table, I'm just going to kind of quickly show you how I did this one. So you want to go to insert up here, tables here. You can select how many columns across you want and how many rows you want. So I think I started with 5. I then added more. So we'll do that again down here. Table, 4 across, we'll go 6 down. Say you wanted to add in another column because you decided that you forgot about the evening or you forgot about a day. If you right click here, it's going to have this pop-up menu, and then you can just do insert column to the left, and that'll create another column to the left. Or you could also, if you wanted to create more rows, insert a row below, and that will insert another row. Now, the more important thing, I think, is once you've created this table is now how do you share it and get it out to parents and have them be able to get in there and type their names. So we're going to go over to our share settings. Right now it's set to private, so only I am the only person who can see it. So I'm going to open up my share setting. Now the first thing I'm going to go to is it says restricted, so only people who I invite, maybe up here in the sharing, those would be the only people to see it. But I want to make this available so that anyone with the link. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to say share with Marysville School District. That's at least going to get me to this screen. Then I'm going to take a look at, it says Marysville School District. Okay, great, but what if they're not within the school district, which most parents and guardians are not? So I'm going to go to the drop down menu here, and I'm going to go all the way down to anyone with the link. So now it's going to create it so that anyone that has this link up here can access this document and can type in it. So this is also something you could do with students as well. So now I'm going to copy the link, and maybe to get it out to parents, what I'll do is I'll create an email. I kind of already started this. What I'm going to do is call it, conference sign up sheet. Please select a day and time that works best for you. And let's just say maybe above here, click on the blue hyperlink below. because it is going to turn blue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight conference sign up sheet. So you can give them, you could just give them the whole link here, but I'm going to embed it in these words here. So the sheet I'm going to highlight, and then here I'm going to hit Command K on my keyboard. So it's going to bring up the edit link. So this is how you would place a long URL into a hyperlink in just a matter of words. And I'm going to hit OK. And then it should, when parents are in this email, it'll pop up like this. They can open it up and then be able to sign up on the Google Doc on this Google Doc that's shared with everyone. All right, so that is how to maybe use Google Docs and tables for a sign-up sheet for either conferences or for other applications in your classroom or outside the classroom. Please make sure you watch the other videos with other tips. We'll bring you about Google Sheets as well as outside sources such as Sign Up Genius as well for creating signups like this.